Hello, everyone, and welcome to our day one. This is Unit 4. We are on week 5, and our story this week is Encyclopedia Brown. We are going to be doing a review of count them, 1, 2, 3 prefixes this week. And we're getting prepared for our big Unit 4 test. So let's take a look at the prefixes un, dis, and in, and our spelling words. Let's go over them this week. Let's begin with uncertain, unsuspecting, unimportant, disorder, discontent, discontinue, disapprove, then incomplete, indirect, and inability. All right, so as we always do, we're going to take section by section of our spelling words, and we're going to look at the first 3 spelling words that we have. And what prefix do you think we're going to talk about first? Let me hear you nice and loud out there today. Very good. Un. We're going to be looking at this prefix un. So let's see if you can remember, what does that prefix mean? It should be a review right there in front of you. Very good. I knew you were paying attention on this nice, lovely Monday morning. It means not, or it can mean to reverse. Okay, now let's take a look over here because I always put our prefix meaning on this side, and we always know that the first thing that we do, because we practice decoding our spelling words. Not only do we want to know how to spell these words, but we want to know if we are ever looking at a word that is unfamiliar to us, we are able to break them apart, look at what we know as meanings, and knowing that we can put them back together to create new meanings, to increase that brain power, to increase that knowledge. Fabulous. Knowledge is power. So let's take a look at our first 3 words: uncertain, unsuspecting, and unimportant. As always, we can underline our prefix because we know that it's going to mean not or reverse. Whenever it's added to the beginning, we're going to be looking at not or reverse. That should pop into our brain. All right. Now, so over here, we're going to have in our next column the new word meaning. All right. What's that new word going to mean? Well, let's take a look. Our root word for our first word is certain. Now, certain means absolutely sure. Now, remember, I tell you this every week. Your dictionaries, online resources always are available, and you may use them to help you with your definitions, to look up those meanings if you're not sure. So, certain means absolutely sure. If we add the prefix un, and we have a new meaning, and that new meaning is not absolutely sure, which makes perfect sense because un has a meaning of not. Very good. I'm so proud of you. So let's take a look at that. Nope, we don't want to do that. Let's take a look at our next is unsuspecting. Now, guess what? This word had a little bit, several parts, several Lego pieces here, or several blocks that we could separate. Un being our first, and then we have the root word suspect, okay? Meaning that, I'm trying to move my camera over here just a little bit, okay? Noticing that suspect is regard with a little mistrust, or you're suspicious of something. All right. Then I noticed, well, I have a third piece, ing. Ing added as a suffix, it's the action. It's going to change a noun into a verb. ing changes it into an action word. So if I have unsuspecting, then I know that I have not suspicious of an action or something happens. I'm not suspecting it. So my new meaning would be feeling no suspicion. I'm not suspecting that there's going to be any bad weather today. Very good. Now, our last word I put over here was unimportant. Our root word is important, and that means significant. Now, our new word, meaning when we put not in front of it, means that it's something that is significant or of importance, or I'm sorry, not significant, but not of importance. If it's unimportant, I'm not going to open that mail today. It's just a flyer. It's just a letter wanting me to come buy something at the store. All right, so it's unimportant. I'm so proud of you. You all did such a wonderful job today. I want you to keep looking over those spelling words, and we'll be back tomorrow for day 2. Great job, and I'll see you then. Bye-bye.